Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a permanent token for your Meta account. So go to the configuration page and here click on learn how to create a permanent token. Here are the requirements of the creation of your token. Then go to app dashboard and click on business settings. Open this link in a new tab and here you have to go to system users. Here you can see the system user and after that, you have to click on apps. In this, you can see the assigned people. Click on that and select your system user and give the full control and assign. So the person is assigned. Then go to WhatsApp accounts and click on assign people and select your system user. Give the full control and assign it. So the person is assigned. After that, go to system users and click on generate new token. Select the app, select never in the token expiry and in the permissions, business management, WhatsApp business management and WhatsApp business messaging. Click on generate token and the token is generated.